Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to make a pie chart in PowerPoint step by step. Pie charts are a great way to visualize data quickly and clearly. Let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint slide. Go to the Insert tab, click on Chart, and then select Pie. PowerPoint will insert a sample pie chart and an Excel sheet for editing. Next, replace the sample data with your own. For example, let's enter quarterly sales numbers. As you update the values, you'll see the pie chart update instantly on your slide. Now, let's customize the design. You can change chart titles, choose different colors, and display data labels as percentages. This makes your pie chart much easier to read and visually appealing. Here's a quick tip. If you want to highlight one category, you can pull out that slice of the pie. You can also switch to a 3D pie chart for a more dynamic look. But remember to keep it simple, so your audience focuses on the data, not just the design. And that's it. You've just created a professional-looking pie chart in PowerPoint. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more presentation tips. Thanks for watching.
You can explore massive template libraries. First, type or present title below. Second, one-click generate slides. And then choose a template to complete your own eye creation. What's more, you can view and edit slides. Finally, save, share, and download slides.